Hello everyone. In the last class we created the parallax effect. In this class we are going to create the character walking and we will put that character walk into the parallax um, layers and then complete this project. Right? I have animated this character using forward kinematics. So what we're going to do is create a new composition. 1280 by 720, background is black is okay, 6 is okay, everything looks good. So what we do is the character is black, and so what we'll do is go to composition settings, and make the background white. So you can make the black character. Alright. So if you look at the character has a head, a torso, hands, two elements for hands and two elements for legs. So a very simple character. So we're going to look at how to create and parent different elements so that we can make the character walk. All right, so it's going to be a simple tutorial on character walk, and then in the future tutorials we will look at how to create rigs using Dwake and use IK setups to create a much better character with the more believable walk cycle. All right, so we'll create a square, a circle, and the circle, name it, hit the enter key and call it head. Okay, and then you can create a rounded box for the body. If you go to the rectangle tool, you can increase the roundness. Okay, and scale the head small. Okay, so let us name this as torso. Then we will create another element. Okay, again go to the rectangle tool and increase the roundness. Okay, so we can change the color of this, make it a little lighter. Okay, Control D to duplicate it. I scaled it, but I don't think I need to scale it. Duplicate it. So you get an arm. Then we will create legs. So the leg element will be a little bigger than the arm element. So we can create a rectangle. I don't like this element being scaled correct. So I'm going to create the arm element again. Don't scale. Scale messes up the roundness. Control D to create the second arm. Then a little longer. Control D. Okay. So this will be lower leg. This will be upper leg. This will be lower arm. Will be upper arm. All right. Then this can be a little more light. All right. So now we need to make sure that the anchor points are in the right place. So the head, you can click on this button to move the anchor point. And if you want to animate the head, you can place it and decide where the rotation of that head is going to happen. Okay. Then you can place that anchor point in that place. The torso will be somewhere at the bottom. The upper arm goes in the right place first, and this anchor point will be here. This anchor point, okay, so let me move the anchor point first. Okay, then move the position of the arm. Okay, then I can zoom in and then align it properly. Okay, so if you rotate this, when you rotate the arm, it should rotate correctly. Okay, so that is important. Same way with the leg. The leg will be here. Then the anchor point of the leg here. Okay, and then this leg here. Anchor point goes in the right place. And then you can zoom in there and position it in the right place. Then you can align the leg right as well. And then you can hit the rotate and make sure that it's rotating right. Okay. Now we have to have two legs and two arms. So lower leg, enter and add R to it. This one, enter R to it. Okay, and then what has to be on top of what? So lower leg will be on top of the upper leg. Lower arm and upper arm can be on top of the legs. Okay, so enter R R for right, by the way. Our upper arm, our lower arm, our leg, torso, head, and this control D and comes below the head and the torso. This control D goes here. Okay, and then we can enter this and call it L. Okay, now we need to link these. So the left upper arm will link to left lower arm will link to upper arm, lower leg to upper leg, head to torso, lower leg to upper leg, lower arm to upper arm, and then the upper arm will link to torso, upper leg to torso, upper leg to torso, upper arm to torso. So if you select the torso and move it, the whole thing moves. Okay. And then if you make the lower arm or upper arm goes left. Okay, so the right hand goes back, and the leg will go in the front. Upper leg goes in the front. Okay, so you can be a little precise about this. So maybe this is 40, negative 40. This can be 15. Okay, and then this is 40, and this is 15, negative 15. Okay. The head can be rotated forward if you want. Torso is staying straight. This one, upper leg goes 40, lower leg 15, okay. You can go to view and view ruler. You can create a ground line. Then we need to have this somewhere straight. Okay, so I'll draw a line in the middle. The upper legs and the lower legs can be moved further up. That looks better. One up. Oh my God, they moved a little late. Okay, Looks good. This line will move slightly up. So this has to be moved further up. 40. What is selected? This one. -50. -50. Okay. And then this can be moved to 50 also. -50 and 15. So I'll save this one. Parallax. Okay, it's not in the right place. Desktop. Rahul, YouTube. 2D parallax. Parallax. Save. Okay, so our character, oh, this leg is on the ground. This needs to come back. So 35. Okay, so we have our position set for the character, and in the next class we will look at -20 or -15. Okay. So in the next class we will look at how to create the keyframes for animation, and then put the composition in the right place. Okay, so that will happen in the next class.